Well, at least $2,000 or $3,000 is what it kind of looks like the last 30 days. If the last week there was 2,000, is that right? Got it. Love it.
Yeah.
If you can, just Clayton, tell me a little bit about yourself. What's your professional background?
Professional. Well, I've been like an assembly worker and all that kind of stuff all my life. I'm not like my brother who goes out and audits banks and, does stuff like that. But he's even retired somewhat now. But yeah, I just like the small life of being out in the country and then going to work and just doing what I can to collect a check, I guess.
Love it. I love it. That's amazing. And so for you then, how long have you been in that space?
Well, a little better than 35 years.
Oh, wow.
Not the same company, of course, but and then I started farming in 2002 when my dad finally retired, because I'm farming my family ground.
Yeah.
So I didn't move here till 10 years ago.
Oh, got it. Understood. Okay. And so what was your, main incentive and purpose for earning passive income?
Well, it did look good to me. And, I just from the money market account itself, it's just, it's what I made in this last couple months. I mean, it takes me all year to get that far, in the money market account. Excuse me?
I'm sorry, I was on mute. And so I meant, were you always looking for another stream of income for the last maybe few or several years? Or was it just like, oh, just randomly saw my ad and was like, wow, this could work for me, and this is the only thing that you've ever tried before?
Yeah, basically I saw your ad, and then I've based the other thing is too, I've seen a lot of other AI ads, but I'm thinking this looks worthwhile in trying, so I got the whole process started. The other place I call, I'm talking to, I don't know, some kind of consultant, and I asked him a couple of questions, and he didn't know what I was talking about. So I'm saying, okay, this is not the place I'm going, and I came here instead.
Understood. And so for you then, was it an ad, kind of showing that I had a family and that was similar to you that resonated, or was there anything else that maybe stuck out to you?
Other than, this whole thing started, I put in, let me put you back when I was 21 years old. I started investing money back then, and then I pretty much went from an IRA, long-term interest, and then put into an IRA. And then when Roth came around, I went into that, and the old 401k, I didn't get started as soon as they put that in, though, even though I could have. And that pretty much gave me a boost as far as where I am today.
Mm-hmm.
Even though with this rotator cuff, I've had to dig into some of that account and use it for a living. So
yeah, because it's been about 3 or so months since you've been actively working, right?
And right now they're saying I won't be able to work until October.
Oh, another couple months. Wow.
Yeah.
And so for you then, how did you actually feel? So you saw us, you saw other people, you saw kind of, the demonstration that what we can provide, but ultimately, like, how did you actually feel just before joining ATN? Were you skeptical? Were you nervous at all?
No, I'm one of those people that can really do the high risk investing, so that really doesn't bother me, where I've got a wife and son that are really like, well, we got to be really careful,
Yeah.
So this was pretty easy.
And ultimately for you then, what made you join, right? You saw it, you heard the price point, and you were in the process of making a decision. What actually made you join? Was it maybe some of the testimonials?
Oh yeah, definitely that, because I looked at a lot of reviews,
Okay.
So I'm thinking, yeah, it sounds good to me too.
Okay. Right. And so how was the setup process? How did it all go with who helped you? Was it Julio? Was it David, Aquila?
Julio and Aquila. Julio got me started, and then I think there was a little bit of I don't know, he had to change tracks for a while, Aquila's been with me, but then, I don't know, I've, like I said, my computer skills, I've lost everything on my computer now. I've slowly gotten them back again.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And how about ongoing communication? How about like Slack communication or Telegram updates? How has the ongoing communication been for you?
Oh, that's been perfect. Whenever I put a question in, they'll be right on that answering it, between those two. And then what is it? I can't remember her name. Is it Amanda or Roxanne or something like that?
Roxanne, you got it. Yeah. Excellent. Love it. And on your end, I mean, maybe it is the communication or some of the results, but what do you feel like in your mind maybe makes ATN different and, kind of being on the inside, as opposed to on the outside? What do you feel like is a big is a difference in your eyes?
Oh, it's a learning curve for me, let me tell you. But you can basically check on anything you want to whenever you need, and then if you got a question, all I got to do is ask, and it's answered within a little bit of time. Very easy.
That's what we want, right? We want it to be as simple as possible. And how quickly did you actually start making passive income after you got everything onboarded?
Oh, it wasn't. Well, when I joined, the market went down, kind of like in a downward slump there for a little bit. But then all of a sudden I'm thinking, wow, because I mean, it jumped to like $4,000 instantly. And I thought I've never seen that before, So now we just went up here another 2 this week after it went down again. So I'm glad where I'm at.
Good. I'm happy to hear that. So in the last 30 days or so, how much has your account actually generated?
Well, I would say a little. Well, I'm looking at the emails. I'm not looking at the complete site yet, but because with all the other stuff I do on the computer, I just check the email a second and I keep going from there. So I will look at this here in a little bit to know exactly what I did, because I've been told that's not an accurate count.
Okay. Well, at least $2,000 or $3,000 is what it kind of looks like the last 30 days. If the last week there was 2,000, is that right? Got it. Love it.
Yeah.
And so where would you, compare to, I think you mentioned you have some money market accounts and other IRAs as well. Where would you actually rank ATN compared to, the traditional, kind of markets there?
I'd say it's probably up on top. 401ks. I mean, like I got a 401k I'm putting $100 into, right? Not right now because I'm on disability, but when I was working, I did that, and it's doing fairly good. But I'm pretty sure that if I put these neck and neck and watch the two go at the same time, I'm sure ATN would just jump way above it.
Yeah. And for you, how passive has everything been after the onboarding phase? Like, how much work have you had to do to earn these, amounts of capital?
Nothing at all. I mean, once I got it in there, I've just been watching everything ever since, and I go on the websites and I don't know. It's been wonderful.
That's what we want to hear. I love it. And on your end, right, how likely are you to actually recommend us?
I would say it would be a pretty good chance. Yes.
And for you, I mean, there's a lot of people that maybe, I mean, like you watched a lot of our testimonials before starting, and a lot of your decision was based off of some of the results that other people had. But some people still may be skeptical and, have questions in the back of their mind. Why maybe someone listening to this right now, why should they, if they have the financial capacity, why should they actually take action?
It's worth a shot. If you want to secure a future, retirement. That's the whole thing I started, is just for retirement.
So just have one last question, right? But for people who are skeptical and maybe have been burned in the past, right? I was burned 6 figures. I've lost a good amount, and before I was able to find something like this. So maybe what would you maybe say to people that are skeptical or afraid, and because they have been burned, but they do want to take another calculated risk in something like this?
I'd say it's worth a try. I would definitely do this again if I had to make another choice.
That's something I love to hear. So excellent. Well, we're doing something right, Clayton. I love to hear that, and I appreciate you giving that feedback. I know, you're ailing a bit, and I want you to get back to resting and getting yourself healed up for the next few months. And I'll look forward to seeing you here shortly. And, did you have any question before we jump off? Do you have any questions or anything for me?
No, not really. They've all been answered.
Everything's
You
been
got a
taken
good.
care of. That's what I like to hear. Well,
You
Clayton, I
got a good.
appreciate you. Yeah. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk soon.
All right. Thanks.